Today at Mullin Machinery we have an Omniturn GT-75 Series 2 gang tool CNC turning center. It has a 5C spindle that someone put a small 3-jaw chuck in it. But generally you run COLLETS. We have the gang tool block. This one is looks like a 7-tool block. It has a bar puller, collet chuck, drill bit, and an insert boring bar. And in the top we have a Omniturn tool post with the quick switch holder in it. Has the coolant manifold. Here's your control. Lights up fine. We have a few more tool blocks here. Reposition another tool post, another gang block, a slotted block, another bar puller, and the jaws for the chuck. The cabinet's in good shape, not all banged up. There's your serial number on the control. This camera doesn't adjust the focus too fast. A little disappointing. Okay, so we'll run the spindle and then we'll jog the axes. Spindle sounds good. We'll go into the control here. Where you can't see escape, jog, 3. Machine sounds good. It's been sitting a little while. Could use a little cleaning and lubrication, but seems to run good. We're not good at programming, so we just jog the axes in the spindle so you can hear it, but overall a good machine. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.